Within the curves, let's look at the other options. You have the possibility to copy a curve to another curve. For example, we know that these curves are identical. So if you remove the chain and change one curve, for example, I will take the Luma just for example, then I would like the red to become exactly like the Luma. The best way to do it is to select the curve you want to copy from and then come to the menu and say, okay, copy to red. The red did not disappear, in fact. If you click on red only, you will notice the red now, it's identical to the Luma. You can select the red now and decide the red you want to copy it to the green. And here you are, the green is exactly like the red, like the Luma, and so on. Now there is a nicer option here, which is editable splines. I will select it. And notice what happened. When you select a point now, it has two handles. If you click on one and start moving it, you can adjust 100% your curve. And notice now you are having Bezier curves, and then you can do any adjustment almost that you like. That's what's happening. The first one is only one single handle, and the last one is one single handle. It's all about precision and control and doing the graph the way you would like. I will reset this graph. Then we are going to go to the next option, which is default anchors. But before, I will remove editable splines. And I'll go back and say add default anchors. Here you are. So notice what happens. It has added points in strategic areas, not randomly. And every 2 points will act as an anchor for the middle one. First point is about the high highlights or the upper highlights. You can select the point and just adjust the way you would like. Notice that the other 2 points are acting as anchors. So nothing in the curve is changed except what's under the control of this point. I will undo this another time. Then if you take the middle point over here, also the extremity points for this middle point are acting as anchors. Here you are. So actually now you are even more in control of the curve and how you want it to work. If you move a middle point, for example, the other 2 are acting as anchors. I will reset this one, put the chain again, so all the colors are linked. Go back and add default anchors, remove the chain, select the red. You have the same thing for each color now. You can move the red and work on the colors the way you would like. So this is how the curves is about precision, is about controlling the colors through a curve, doing all the color correction and all the color gradings that you need. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next lecture.